Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video will be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of July. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription box that you can buy monthly. There are different tiers and I have the $10 tier, which comes with one thing of yarn and then one extra item that is always different. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy these boxes with my own money and I just like to unbox them on video with you guys because I think it's fun to film and it's also fun to just watch these types of videos. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First, the color of this box is so beautiful, this teal color. All the boxes are different colors, so that's really fun to get and see what color you're going to get every month. So let's open up my box. Ooh, this yarn is beautiful. Oh, what does that say? Oh, cute. Oh, this yarn is so pretty and it's like squishy. I love these colors. It's always going to tell you what it is, the name of it. Oh, that's so cute. Inside is going to just be a description of the yarn and then just like their, the club and everything. Oh, I love that color. It's so cute. Oh my god! Oh my god, so I was actually going to buy this pen. And now I don't have to. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at it, the little sheep. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I actually was gonna buy it. So that's awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you, Darn Good Yarn, even though I don't know if you guys will see this, but thank you. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have a collection of like yarn pens and things, and I just started it recently. So I want to add to it, and then I'm so excited for this. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to put it with my other ones. What is this? Oh, it's a bracelet? Oh, how pretty. Okay, I wasn't lying earlier. You usually only get like the yarn and then like one extra item, so I have no idea how I got two, but again, thank you, Darn Good Yarn. I don't know why I have an extra item, but this is awesome and it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna have to look it up on their website too, because I've never really I've seen them, but I didn't really know what they were. I don't know what a diffuser bracelet means, so I'm gonna have to look it up, but that's really exciting and I'll have to let you guys know. At the end of the year I am gonna do like a collected haul of all of my boxes that I got. So I'll have to let you guys know more details on this later on once I figure out like what the diffuser part means and everything. But it's super pretty. I love sea glass, so that is gorgeous. And then you always get a little booklet. It's going to tell you about the yarn. And then your mystery gift, which is also okay. So okay, so I got a 1-year commemorative pen. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, that makes more sense because I was like, you usually only get one item. That's so cool. It's gonna tell you about the yarn club, how they made the yarn, and you get a knitting pattern for the yarn, and then you get a crochet pattern for the yarn. So cool. Oh my gosh, this box is freaking awesome. I mean, they're all so fun. But this one in particular, like this guy, oh man, super excited for this guy. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Also remember that I am going to do that collected haul at the end of the year, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.